Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Audi A3 today. This car came from 2013 to 2019 year model. 2018 this car model has the 2018, and the car has this head unit. Plus we have installed the ambient light in the car. Here you can see it's the complete ambient light kit installed in the car. From factory there was only simple trims, but we have installed these carbon fiber trims. Here you can see the quality of the trims. So in these trims they have like lots of different colors, almost 64 different shades available in this kit. We have this carbon fiber mid console as well here in the car, plus the steering wheel, so it is enhancing the beauty of the interior. We have this light kit working with the mobile phone, plus with the screen as well. But from the mobile phone we have lots of different shades available, so we can unify this color as well. Here you can see, so right now all the car has the only same color. It's red all over the car, plus it's yellow. We will select the green, so you can see the doors, the footwell lights, here the cup holder, everything is green right now. We have this blue, then we have like some purple shades. We have this red, this purple shade again. We have this white color as well, it's a little bit bluish shade. We have this green, we have this shade as well, this, and we have like this light blue shade. Then again we have like different colors of zones as well. In my phone I have zone 1. In the zone 1 I can change the colors. Right now I have red here. I will choose this blue in the footwell lights. So here you can see the red and blue, it's looking like this. If I want to change the green below, it's green, and if I want to change the color above like to purple, so here you can see the green with the purple. So this light kit comes with different options, so we have installed only here, so it's possible to install in the storage compartment, plus on the AC vents as well, but the AC vents will look like same like the Mercedes models. I can show you the back side of the car. So there in the back side we have this back footwell lights installed, plus here is the back door, same like front doors. We have installed the panels here. If I will show you the panel, here is the panel outlook. It's the carbon fiber dipped panels, so here you can see. So this panel you can see. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, any queries, you can ask me in the description below. I will be happy to answer you. So that's the ambient light for Audi A3, S3 and RS3. All the cars have the same system, same kit fits in all three cars. So if you have any queries, questions, you can ask me in the description below. Thank you.